Right, so this is the latest arrival in my workshop. This is the Powermatic PM2244. This arrived last week, mid last week, I think Tuesday or Wednesday, by delivery, and I'm looking forward to get it up and running. One of the problems I have, when I say problem, is more a small challenge, is location of this machine. I have two locations in mind, but since I don't come with a lot of workshop setup experience, as I'm sure many of you do, perhaps you can assist me and advise where you think the machine should go. Now, I have two places in mind. The first place is between the refrigerator and my CNC machine, which I'll show you in a moment. And the second is where my bandsaw is. That means that the bandsaw probably will have to be located between the refrigerator and the CNC machine. Now, there is a stand there which I normally place my laptop on for controlling the CNC machine. That will have to be moved. Chances are that might have to stand here in front of the window, but let's take a look, and you can let me know in the comments what you think and where you think the best would be to locate this machine. Now, bear in mind that I still have to extend the extraction slightly over to drop a pipe down in that area, but let's go and have a look. Right, so there's the CNC machine, there's my stand and the refrigerator. So this is where I plan on locating the drum sander. That's the one location. The second location would be down here where the bandsaw and the other bobbin sander is. So maybe place it in there such that it'll be standing in this orientation, feeding in from the far side, from the garage door side, feeding in this way. You can see my planer thicknesser or jointer thicknesser, whatever you want to call it, is also located in this vicinity, and it's standing at an angle, and the reason is so that I can get wood fed in from that side and fed out over there, so I can get fairly long pieces in. But anyway, that's where that is at the moment. There's my CNC machine, and that's in essence where my initial plan is to locate the drum sander. I do have extraction, but it ends over there. However, I will be extending that further across and then bring a pipe down, but I have sufficient extraction points for my needs at this end for the time being. So let me know what you think. Appreciate your comments. As I said, I don't come with a lot of experience of workshop setup and workshop locations, and I know there are guys with much smaller workshops that have their setup very, very efficient, but it's something that I'm hoping that you guys can help me with. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.